Welcome to the Millennial Solar channel. This video demonstrates the standard operating procedure for a spectroscopic ellipsometer. Turn on the xenon light source, the instrument and the computer. Place the sample on the stage and launch the operating software. Load the recipe template on the measurement screen. Click Sample Model, then click Load, and select the appropriate film model from the model library. Click Parameter Settings to run autofocus. Or adjust the focus manually. The sample is precisely aligned when the average light intensity reaches its peak. Return to the measurement screen. Set the measurement parameters based on the sample and testing requirements. After completing the settings, click Start Test. Click Record Search to view the test data. Select the required items and export the corresponding data table.